What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you what it's like going to Ikea during a pandemic. As you can see here, we are lining up to go into the store. This was around 10:30 a.m. and the store doesn't open till 11, and they don't start letting people in till exactly 11. You can see here that we are slowly walking in. There's a ton of signages saying, wash your hands, stay 6 feet from other people. There's people still posted around here to show kind of direct where people are going. I don't know, something about Ikea kind of makes me feel like I'm at Disneyland or something, but yeah, they do a pretty good job, I guess. It was still kind of crowded even for, I guess, the morning. I guess as the day went on, I noticed it got a little more crowded. But people there were still, as you can see here, they're posted up and you're able to ask them. You can see the signage all over the floor there. So we went because my girlfriend wanted to get some shelving and to get some plants. And fortunately, they don't have much in stock. Or actually, they didn't have anything in stock, really. Which was kind of disappointed because we drove all the way out here to East Palo Alto and to find that they didn't have much really not like didn't really have much in stock. So right here you can see like just showrooms, but once we go downstairs where like you pick things up and throw it in your cart, you'll see that a lot of shelves are empty.
You have tables? This is where the tables are, right?
And I was looking for a table for my DJ setup. If you guys want to hear my DJ sets, I'll link my Twitch down below. But yeah, so they had the table, but they didn't have the 4 legs. And actually down at the warehouse, when you go pick up the stuff, they actually don't have any legs at all. So that was a bummer. And yeah, you can see there that the cafeteria is closed. That's where the cafeteria would be. But yeah, that's closed. That's not going to happen. And this is the downstairs here. This is where you could just pick things up and throw in your cart, and you don't have to like go down to the warehouse and pick up the big items. But you can see there, shelves are empty. I don't know if, something, I don't know, I guess didn't get the shipment from Sweden or anything, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it's just this location or if there isn't. Just comment down below. Let me know. Is this how your IKEA is too? Everything's being rated. Look at that. Nothing.
It's like a weird smell in here.
And it stinks.
It's like a weird smell in here. You need oven mitt?
Yeah, so like I was saying before, the main purpose we wanted is to get some shelving and some plants. We did get a shelf. Luckily, it was like the last one, so sucks for whoever slept on it. But I mean, it wasn't the right one that my girlfriend wanted, but in the end, we got it, and it looks pretty nice still. When we installed it, and don't fuck with me because I got that weapon. Actually, I didn't buy it, but yeah. I mean, again, just look at this. Like, it's all the shelves were mostly empty. Like,
Look at this little ice cream scoop.
except this ice cream scoop. But again, low on stock, guys. Low on stock.
Oh, what's this for? It's for limes?
Yeah, that's for limes. Yeah, and shortly you'll see like there's just no plants. The only plants they had was just like fake plants, which is cool too if you're into that, but there was no like live plants. But again, they didn't really have live plants to begin with that much, like palm trees and some stuff, but they did have a good amount, but everything was cleaned out. Even like the pots was gone. They only had some. But yeah, you can see it right there, like the shelving's empty.
What's wrong with like this? The gold.
And then I don't know if it's because people were in the market to buy shelves, but it got crowded in the shelf area. Well, not in that shop, but right here. Like these people just came in and was like, let's get some shelves. But yeah, it's not as crowded as like how it would normally be, but you know, business gotta go, you know. Yeah, like it, and then this is the potting area. It's just
Huh?
wiped out.
What? Everything's like they didn't restock, or they just didn't want to put it back. Well, these are all fake plants, right?
And that's basically it, guys. I just want to show you what my experience was at this Ikea in East Palo Alto. This is the only Ikea in the Bay Area. Kind of disappointed. I mean, I don't really go Ikea that much. I don't normally they're pretty good on restocking their items. I don't know if it's because getting shipments here to the US is difficult at this time, but yeah. If you want to do some home remodeling or redecoration, kind of rethink twice about going to Ikea because this is what it looks like. Anyways, guys, hope you guys take care, stay safe, and subscribe.